Hello, today's Saturday morning. I printed these out myself. Oh shit, it's dirty. But these are hangers. I modeled them, I printed them. That's just glue. But we put our first one up and it looks good. So I think we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 more. I only made 5 sets, so. But we'll see how it turns out. Looks good. So day 1 is down. I only made 5 sets. I didn't know she had that many, so I'm gonna make another one for this. I'll probably make it a 3-piece instead of 2. I guess, I don't know, I should have thought of that. And then I gotta figure something out for the weed eaters. Okay, and I think I'm done. So, start right here. I had to put this hook sideways because this is the only way this would have caught. Got it going sideways like that. You got these holding it. I ran out of filament and that's the only color I had. Put these lower for the big rakes. Made some bigger hooks for that. I know it's taking up some floor space, but I mean it's still, you gotta walk that way anyway, so it's not taking that much. And then these, it's all for the little tools. So I kind of just raised the floor a little bit and then just put some string. It's not too bad. Yeah. And I guess that's it. It's okay, not bad, right? Modeled those. Those I found and I printed the big hooks. But I made those. And they look good. They're strong too. I mean, you got 2 right there. Kind of spreading out because of the shovel, but I like it.